Hey, Kyle, welcome to the channel. I want to talk about first aid kits. Now, before you click off of this video, I want to ask you in the comments, do you have a first aid kit and does it have the right stuff you need while camping? I cut my finger slicing onions in Montesano State Park in Alabama. I was with a bunch of friends who had more first aid kit items that I needed, but I realized real quick that if I'm alone camping and I slice my finger like I did, do I have the right stuff to bandage it up and get it, get it clotted and bandage it up and, get to an emergency room or an urgent care or just deal with it on my own? I have this emergency kit that I put together a long time ago. Probably everything in this kit is probably expired. So the one thing that I learned real quick is I don't have the right stuff in this emergency kit. If I've got a lot of stuff in here, but I didn't have wound seal. I didn't have the right tape and the right gauze. I ran out of that very quickly, and I had to go get this at Walmart. There was a whole slew of things that I didn't have, or I didn't know where it was in this kit. Now, this kit is pretty big. It's got a ton of stuff in it, but I was not familiar on where things are at. Now, could I just pulled everything out and gotten to it and, bandaged myself up if I was alone? Yes. But I think that I learned a valuable lesson on making sure that I have the right stuff in the right pockets for minor cuts, sprained ankle maybe, some other things that I'm probably not thinking of. But I just wanted to do a quick video on, do you have the right stuff for your first aid kit? Do you have wound seal? Do you have quick clot? Do you have something like that to, get a wound to clot quickly so you can get a bandage on it and maybe get to a hospital quickly? Just wanted to throw that out there, quick video, but I am definitely going to go through this pack whenever I get home to make sure that the things that I have in here are correct for what I need. I just threw this together again, and some of this stuff as I'm going through it now doesn't make sense. So just a word to you guys on, do you have the right first aid kit for being out in the boonies and boondocking for RV life? Thanks for watching.